Bring the head up. Stretch it. Stretch. Stretch. Bring the head out. Bring it up. Nice. Nice. Okay. There we go. Good. Little release. And that means the parasympathetic nervous system is letting go. Hey there, it's Dr. Doug Willen, and here we are at Rising Starr Horse Rescue in Connecticut. So we're going to be working on some horses today. We're going to check them head to toe. If you want more information of Rising Starr, it's in the description below. So we have Kaia here today. I'm back, and I haven't seen Kaia in a while, but I did work on Kaia, and there is a video of her that you could refer to when I was here last. And she is a 16-year-old Connemara Thoroughbred, and really beautiful, lovely horse. She's awesome. And last time I worked with her, she had a couple of misalignments. And so I'm gonna just feel a couple of points on her. Check around the pole. I'm looking at her eyes, seeing if she's gonna respond to any of that. Come here, babe. Checking the TMJ. Here's the pole. A little reaction at the pole, coming down the neck. She's busy. Come here, boo. A little bit here. Right there. So as I touch the spot, she reacts a little bit. So got to get that one. Coming into the shoulder. So got some stuff. She's still fidgeting a little bit. She's kind of just getting used to who is this guy and what are we doing today, and I really feel like eating. So she's distracted. And such a beauty though, right? You are a beauty. I'm down on the hips, the pelvis. I want to check the glutes, the hamstring. Here's the hamstring. Hamstring feels a little tight on the right, but let's compare it. She is 16 years old, so I'm going to come around right now and check. They're both a little tight. Look, she's already bringing up her leg for me. Hip. Does one feel tighter than the other? That's what I'm feeling. So I'm here on this left hamstring. And I'm going to come around here and feel the right hamstring. The right is definitely tighter. So right in here, we're tight. I might even just work on this. So I'm on a trigger point right here, right on the hamstring. She's reacting to this a little bit. Give her a little more slack, so if she wants to look at me, she can.
Okay, but don't let her eat, right?
Well, that's the thing. That's the challenge. The problem with eating during adjustment is you can't see the reaction.
Right.
Here, I'm going to bring your head to me a little bit as I touch. There you go. You're right, Michelle. So I guess you do have to fight it a little bit. So here I'm on the hamstring again. She's feeling it. It's just me back here. I'm gonna just keep holding this spot. Blink, blink, blink. She's blinking. She's blinking. And she's processing this. I'm feeling the muscle release now. And I'm just going to wait a second. and let her process that. And then the muscle right now is letting go. Just give her a second to feel that. Let her take that in. There's your lick. All right, let's bring her back up again. Hey, babe. All right, so now I'm gonna start working with some of your muscles here, okay? I'm gonna bring you down. Jiggle your face a little bit. Jiggle your nose. Here's a muscle now right up here. It's C2 because you have a misalignment at C2. I'm just gonna take that for you. I'm gonna jiggle it out. Let it relax. Let it relax. Bring it around. Let it relax. Let it relax. Just putting a little pressure on. A little pressure. Let it relax. Come here, boo. Come back up. Okay, come here. Good. I'm gonna just hold it. Come here. Give it to me a little bit here. Circling the head a little bit. There you go, that's a nice breath. Nice breath. I'm on C2 right now. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Just holding it. Just holding it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to adjust that spot too because it's still there. But I get you to relax a little first. Okay, can I just get this spot for you? Got it. Let's go back and check it. Got it, babe. Oh, good. Nice rotation now. Come around all the way with your head. Nice. Good. And head up. Stretch it. Stretch. Stretch. Bring the head out. Bring it up. Nice. There we go. Good. Little release. And that means the parasympathetic nervous system is letting go. Now I'm inside here feeling both cervicals. Feels good now, actually. Now come here. This is what happened last time. Right here it starts quivering. Can you see that, Michelle? Mm-hmm. Especially coming to this side. You could probably see it on both sides.
Dakota does that too.
Yeah. And they're older, but you know, they've had. So let's see where it is. Right there. Okay. I'm watching her eyes while I touch this spot. And as I come down, there's the blink right there. Right in there. Oh, that's the, yeah, I know. Look at its twitch. So that's a pinched nerve there. Do you see the stress response? I mean, do you see her twitch? Can you see the muscle twitching on your side? Because this side's going like.
I don't think as much on this.
Yeah, this side's. So I have to adjust that. Here we go. I think I got it. Might be another one. There it is. It's still there. But she's relaxing. Okay, now I got to get my bail, so just be back in 1 second. Let her sniff it a little bit. Remember this thing? Okay. I'm going to get that spot for you. If you let me.
To hold her still?
No, I think she's good right there. If I can move
forward, let her move forward?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, there's this one. This is actually a rib. Got it. I think that was it. I'm going to hold the spot for a second. There's just a muscle knot here. Holding it, holding it, holding it. Good. Relax now. Now I'm going to check down the rest of the back. Right now I'm at the sacral base. There's a little high spot at the sacral base. Got it. Okay, sorry babe. That's a big adjustment. That part's done. I'm going to come under the tail here. Give her a second. We're under a tree now. Let's walk her out a little bit. Oh. Okay. Come here. Okay. Okay. You okay? All right. Let me go back to the tail part. So I'm going to hold this muscle here for a second. Watch the back leg. And you can see maybe a little bit. She's going to shake this out a little bit. I have to get the exact spot. There it is. I'm going to just let her whole hip relax from this. I'm watching her eyes, watching her ears. She's still processing some of this. Remember I said she had tight hamstrings, right? I'm gonna come on the other side now. And I'm going to contact this point. Just get the hip to relax. And I'm holding this point here, letting the head come down. I'm also massaging her hip at the same time. There you go. There we go. You can see her licking and chewing now. So that was a good stress response. Or releasing some stress. I'm gonna check the TMJs. I like the way they feel right now. What's your pole doing? So now I'm at the space between the atlas and the angle of the mandible. It's a little tight on the right, so I'm going to adjust that next, and then that might be it for us today. Got it. I think we're missing something, so I'm going to check one last thing, okay? Mm-hmm. So I want to check. She did reflex out of the butt tuck. I'm under the belly now. There's still something twitching up here. Because I wasn't on this side yet. So I'm missing something here. I think it's right there. That's the spot. So there's another spot here. Do you see it's twitching? I know, that's the one that hurts. All right. I knew I missed something. So first I'm going to hold the spot and just let it relax under my pressure. I know this is taking a little time, but we have to do it right. Now I'm holding this muscle knot right here. Okay. Let's stretch at the same time. Come towards me. Come towards me. Come towards me. Watch it. Do you see it twitching? I'm just going to hold it for you. Right, I'm holding it like that. Okay. Head up one more time. Thanks, Michelle. Got the twitching to quiet down now. Oh, there's still one. I have to get back up on my bail. It's a process, right? But you got to chase all these down. There's like a lot of them. And a horse can't always tell you what they're feeling. That's it. Got it. I think I got the twitching gun. That was the spot. Her head came down, which is nice. She's thinking about it. Let's see if we get a final release. The nostrils are flaring. The eyes are getting sleepy. How does that feel? Okay. Okay. There we go. That's what we wanted. So we're going to finish on that, okay, babe? All right, babe? You did good.